Hey friends, today we're making an amazing honey glazed ham. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove packaging from ham. Set ham flesh side down in a cooking tray, preferably on a cooking rack. Add 1.5 cups of water to tray. For the glaze, combine 1 cup honey, 1.5 cups light brown sugar, 1/4 cup Dijon mustard, 1/2 teaspoon ground nutmeg, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1/4 teaspoon ground ginger, 1/4 teaspoon ground clove, 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 2 tablespoons orange juice. Mix until smooth. Add your first layer of glaze to all sides of ham. You should have enough to glaze your ham 4 to 5 times. Cover ham with aluminum foil and place in oven. Bake for 30 minutes. Yeah, make sure to remove your center rack before turning on your oven. That's better. Insert ham here. After 30 minutes, remove from oven and glaze a second time. Mix glaze as it may start to thicken up on you. Cover back up and place into oven for another 30 minutes. After your 30 minutes is up, take ham out of the oven and remove foil completely. Lay your ham on its side and add third layer of glaze. Make sure to brush glaze in between slices and into every nook and cranny. Return to oven uncovered for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, remove from oven for 4th glaze. You can save some of the glaze for when the ham is completely cooked and cooled, or you can just use the rest of your glaze now. You can also use some of the drippings on the bottom of the pan for basting. It's totally up to you. Return to oven for your final 20 minutes. Your cooking time may differ based on the size of your ham. You want to cook your ham for 10 to 12 minutes per pound or until internal temperature reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Adjust cooking times accordingly. Transfer your ham to a serving dish. If you saved some of the glaze, you can add it now or wait till the ham cools. You're ready to serve. We hope you try this recipe. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Enjoy!